Other summary measures. Let's start things off with proportion. By definition, it refers to the number of elements belonging in the category of interest, divided by the total number of elements in the collection. In simple terms, proportion is a comparison of two numbers that each represent the parts of a whole. So, another way to view the proportion is the numerator, or the count above, should also be the observations that have a certain characteristic of interest, while the denominator, or the value below, is the total number of observations in the study, whether or not they have the said characteristic of interest. To better appreciate this, let us have the basic example. Let's say we are interested in the proportion of male children in the LGU. To get the proportion of male children in the LGU, our characteristic of interest is male children, and we count the number of observations that are male, and divide it by the total number of children, regardless of sex. Let us have another example showing how to compute for the proportion. We have here Table 1. Number of barangays by local government units in NCR in 2019. Listed here are the cities of the different districts in Metro Manila and their corresponding number of barangays. We already have here the proportions, but let's see how these proportions were computed. The elements here are the barangays. The variable of interest is the LGU with the jurisdiction over the barangays. Looking at this distribution, you might notice how Manila City has a very large number of barangay compared to the other cities. So, you might be interested to show the proportion of barangays in Manila City compared to the whole of the National Capital Region. And to get that, we have to get the number of barangays in Manila City and divide it by the total number of barangays in NCR. If we sum up the total number of elements, we have 1,710 barangays in NCR. So, our proportion would be 897 divided by 1,710 is equal to 0.5246. Or, we can say that the proportion of barangays in NCR under the jurisdiction of Manila City as of 2019 is 0.5246. Please note that we don't have an interpretation yet. This is because, generally, decimals and fractions are difficult to visualize. So the common practice to make proportions easier to understand is that we would convert them into a percentage.